here in Bistro, which is located here in Villastin Beach Resort. So let's check out their... Yeah. Oh my God, it's blocked out!
Ang sitwasyon natin ngayon ay madilim, masukal, at mapanganib. Kaso okay lang naman. Kasi meron tayong Kuya Wilfred.
Ano pong masasabi mo ngayon sa sitwasyon natin?
Ang masasabi ko lang
Is hungry.
and it's very darky.
Hello.
Napakahirap dong kasi ang ngit-ngit dito dong. Kasi speechless ako dong kasi brown out eh.
Interview mo kay Jans no.
Isa lang si Mark.
Madali lang to.
Hey, maangkoy.
A few moments later.
And I'm back! Siga na, so nabdan mi sa brownout guys. So muna to siya no, we're here na in the Bistro in Villastin Beach Resort. So check out their foods and everything. See you later. Mag-order sa me.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
So this is their menu guys.
Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Ano masasabi mo sa kain Mayora?
Sabi ko lang at Daisy, salamat.
So this is what you can get here in Bistro guys. So they have Barkada street food bundle which consists of tempura, fishball, nguyong, and some french fries. Ibog time!
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked.
Really good.
We may be forced
Masarap ang libre.
make some trouble, baby.
True. Kami kayo. Sa libre.
True to love, true to love. I love it. Crank it up, yeah.
What I like about this bistro here is this. As you can see, they're using a bamboo straw, which is really environmental friendly. So not using any spoon here. If you're going to eat your food, you will just use this toothpick. After you eat, you can use this as waffle. And what I like about this setup is they're also using wood as their plate, which is really environmental friendly. And also this fork here, it's also a wood. It's really nice. Let's try their waffle, guys. There's a bacon here and just put some and
Syrup?
syrup.
Syrup.
Really nice.
Walang nga kung ano.
Uy, dyan, sige pa dyan. Sige pa.
Sarap-sarap na talaga Kuya John.
Uy, masudra pag itang kutsara sa mga ilong.
Ini oh, sakto ganun eh.
And I also like this place, guys. With some music, you can enjoy and have fun with your friends
And your lover.
and your loved ones and your family. Big thumbs up to JC Bistro. So if you happen to go here in Santa Fe or Bantayan Island, guys, you should check out this restaurant in Santa Fe. It's called JC Bistro, which is located here in Villastin Beach Resort. I'm gonna end my vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys on my next food, adventure, and travel vlog. Bye guys!